control room.
Mike live on the track, boy.
Hey babes, it's your fave Dream and I am back with another hair video. In this video we will be getting into this wig install, so if you are interested in seeing how I put this together, just keep on watching. But before we get into the video, make sure that you guys have subscribed to the channel, clicked on the notification bell, and go ahead and like the video from now, because I know you're gonna like it. Like, you guys keep on coming back. Like, you gotta like it if you keep coming back, you know? So yeah, just go ahead and like this video and let's get into it. So I got this from AliExpress for $2. Yes, y'all, $2. I was tired of using my makeup brush for coloring my scalp, so got me a makeup brush, and it feels really good. I might get another one. It feels really good. This will probably be really good for my skin, but it's all right. I got it for my wigs because I got brushes, got a plethora of brushes. So we're gonna use this, and we're gonna use the Clinique. This is some old foundation that I have. I have a whole bunch of old foundation because I don't go nowhere. This one is the color 28 Clove, so I'm hoping that this still matches with my skin. And yeah, I'm gonna put that in the wig. I'm gonna put it on my head, and Okay, babes, so that was it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in my comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on that notification bell, and like this video. All right, I'm about to get out of here because it is getting very hot and I am starting to perspire. So I guess I will see you guys next time. Bye.